Hi friends, good morning all. Good to see you again. Today or tomorrow, I will upload a very important video. In that video, I will cover how to select a stock based on technicals, when to enter or when to buy, what is the stop loss, and what is the target level. So I will explain everything in detail. It is an educational video. I will try to speak Hindi and in English. मैं ट्राई करूंगा बात करने के लिए. सो इसे नोट करने के लिए कलम और किताब के साथ तैयार हो जाइए. What are the things you should keep in mind while you pick a stock? Again, I'm telling you, it's an educational video. So stay in touch with my YouTube channel. And I thank all my YouTube channel viewers. Bye from now.